Hello and welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing great. Don't forget we have a giveaway happening on the channel, so make sure you don't miss out. Today the video is about the Porsche 928. So this is what I got yesterday. The Porsche 928 Safari Hot Wheels Elite 64 from metalcreation.com. Today I'm going to unbox it and see how it looks in person, as I have never done an RLC unboxing before. This is the first time, and I'll be doing this and I'll be talking about its history and how it looks in person. So let's get started, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. As you know, the Porsche 928 is a sports car produced by the Porsche from 1977 to 1995. It was once a Porsche's top model. It was supposed to replace the well-known Porsche 911, but that didn't happen. The Porsche 928 often resembled to the Corvette, but their connection is more intricate than it seems. For more information, check the provided link. As the Hot Wheels is famous for making high-quality miniature cars, and this is the one. This model is a special version of the Porsche 928 made by the Hot Wheels. It's been changed to look like a rally car with the extra parts like skid plates, brush bars and rally lights. The shape of the original 928 Safari has been copied accurately, but with added features for off-road driving. The back deck and the hood have been changed to fit the rally theme, making the car look sleek and practical. The rally lights add to the look. The Elite 64 version has a metal base for extra weight and stability, and special wheels for a real touch. This makes the model a popular collectible. So in 2022, a special 1978 Porsche 928 dragster model was chosen as a finalist in Hot Wheels Legend Tour. This model with a big supercharged V8 engine shows what can be done with the Porsche 928 when creativity meets skills. According to me, these are not toys. These are the miniature representation of the classic car that has left a significant mark in automotive history. So whether you are a collector or a Porsche enthusiast, or simply appreciate the finely made diecast car, the Hot Wheels Porsche 928 series is a timeless design. So collect them, showcase them, and let them inspire you, as they are available at metalcreation.com. So if you are interested in learning more about the 928 Safari, you can visit the website and find the link in the description. So that's the end of today's video. So did you enjoy it? Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe for more. Already a part of my Chill with Sabi community? Thank you for your support. Be sure to check out my other videos and share them with your friends. Let's grow this Chill with Sabi community together. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.